What up, babies? Back again. I am back once again with another lit candle review from crate number 8. Okay. Yeah, since I had it out, I said I might as well get through a couple of the ones that were in here before I pack it back in there. So, before we do this, come on. Y'all already know what to do. Hit that like button and do the rest of that stuff, but only if you want to be a part of the Mama's House gang. Okay. So, without further ado, the candle of the day, the candle of the hour, the candle of choice, because the crate was out and I chose it out of the crate, is Splish Splash. I was taking a bad burner. I don't know if I like it. I don't know if I like this, y'all. No, it's a little flowery. I don't think I like it. Damn it. Okay. We got purple. Oh, look at the stock label. Yeah. He in the puddle with boots on, I think. Yeah. Some boots and okay. It's like a purplish. That smell got me fucked up. Grayish, purplish wax. It's pretty. It's gonna be pretty as a gradient, I'm sure. And we got chicken leg. Ooh. Yeah. All right, damn, y'all like the way it smells? No, I don't like it. It's flowery and it perfumey. Damn, it got a double whammy. Now, y'all know sometimes both of these components can be pleasurable for me, but right now, I'm going to say no. All right, the notes are okay. Oh, they still have this one too. It's still accessible on the web. Citable. I'm confused. How come they have another picture of a different candle on this page of Splish? How you say this shit? Splish Splash. Well, I can't say it now. Splish Splash. The fuck is wrong with your tongue? I don't know. I think the smell. Breezy tulips. Is this a combination of tulip? Oh, I don't like it. I don't fucking like it. I'm taking it downstairs immediately to the kitchen area first. Because I ain't trying to get a headache. Okay, what you gonna do? You're gonna find an old lady because you gonna put this shit downstairs so she don't get sick? Is that how y'all do like an old lady? Stupid. Okay, so we got fresh pomelo. Mandarin. Really? Exotic mango. Passionfruit. Coconut waters and coastal waters. It's the pomelo. What is pomelo? I knew you didn't know. Shut up. What is pomelo? I think it's a flower. I think it is.
Here's what I found.
Species of plant, pomelo. The pomelo is a scientific term of Citrus maxima or Citrus grandis. It's the largest citrus fruit from the it's a fucking piece of fruit. Really? Okay. All right, y'all. Le pomelo pew. Pomelo pew. You said that. Shut up. Okay, look, all right. So, I know what a pomelo is. A pomelo, is it that big real giant citrus fruity thing. I ate one of them before. I liked it. Okay. Look, I'm gonna trim light and get this pumpy pumpy, y'all. Please stop it. Leave me alone.
Yeah, y'all better leave me alone.
Trim light and get this puppy started, and I will be back. Y'all come back too. Okay. Stay tuned. Okay, so throws trash. It's a 6. It's a 6. It's a 6. And I don't like it. Okay? Can we say that? Yeah, I don't like it. It's not horrid, but it's not great either. I can absolutely pass on this one, back and bold this one as well. Now, performance-wise, it pulled expeditiously. I mean, it wasn't, no struggle, anything like that. The pull was nice and even, is nice and even. Medium flame. The funny thing about it, though, is that when I initially burned it, I burned it like maybe I was on like my 4th burn. The pool changed colors. It was no longer like in the purple family. It was more in the gray family, right? But it's still, y'all know I like gray. I like the color gray. Except for when it looked like mud. But this one was decent. It was okay. It was all right. But what happened was I had to cotton ball it because I'm trying to work with it, right? So I cotton balled it, and then I decided to lamp. I know, you're hush. I decided to lamp it while lit, and the color changed to what it should have been. And it's freaking gorgeous. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty to me. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, but I don't like the way it smells. And the notes are all wrong. Okay. And look here, y'all. Look here. Something strange happened. I went to prepare so I can depict it, right? To pull it up. And it's gone. The only thing left is the wax melt. But I promise you, it was there when I first started this review. Oh, what happened? Goosey, what you do? What you do to it? I know you put that tulip thing in there. It was weird. It had 2 pictures. Remember I told you I should have took a picture. It was weird, and now it's gone. So the wax melt says, I think it's the same notes, right? It says fresh pomelo, and that's that big old, I know it's that big fruit. That it's like a grapefruit kind of thing, but it's not a grapefruit, it's a pomelo. Shut up. Yeah, right? Mandarin. Then we got exotic mango, passionfruit, coconut water, and coastal waters. Yeah, the notes are the same. The notes, this is deception because this shit don't smell nothing like none of that. It smells like none of that. I smell musk and a flower. Yeah, let me see that's what I smell. Let me see what people saying. People are saying love. Have ordered multiple times. Okay. This is one of my favorites. Okay. Excellent scent. Somebody even says strong throw. Clean. Bubbles and fruit. No, absolutely not. LW. Sir. Absolutely not. No. I must got a dud. If y'all got this one, put it below Joe and let me know what y'all got because mama's got a dud. I smell musk and tulips. I think tubes because shut up. I don't care what I saw. That's what I smell. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. So this is an absolute not repurchase. Yeah. I'm going to have to really start back and bowling stuff. Meaning, get my little box together and do that. But I feel bad because I don't burn. Look how much I burnt. I burnt a lot of it. So I'm not going to send it back. And it's not horrid, but it's deception. Okay, so yeah. That's all. And having said all that, having said all of that, I will see you babies later. I love your guts, and y'all be good.